Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious macaroni salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, and fresh vegetables like celery, red onion, and bell pepper. Don't forget the fresh dill for that bright, herbaceous note. We'll also use a few pantry staples to create our tangy dressing. Now let's get cooking. Boil your 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, then drain and rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process. While the pasta cools, prepare your creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This blend creates a balanced, tangy base. With your pasta cooled and your dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine the cooled macaroni with your diced celery, red onion, bell pepper, and fresh dill. Pour the creamy dressing over these ingredients. Gently fold everything until the macaroni and vegetables are evenly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. After chilling, give your macaroni salad a final taste and adjust seasonings if necessary. You might want a little more salt or pepper. Serve this delightful salad chilled as a perfect side dish for barbecues, picnics, or any family meal. It's always a crowd pleaser. For more great recipes and to explore new worlds, check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.